Congrats, Sammy. This is Cassidy, a AI avatar generated voice. Your grandma Beth asked me to congratulate her grandson Sammy on your graduation from high school. So here goes. Sammy Brown, graduate high school class of 2025, next attending University of Alabama on a football scholarship this fall. She says you will now be going off to the University of Alabama in the fall with a football scholarship. When Grandma Beth gave me your graduation information, she said to make sure you know she is so proud of you. She also told me she can't wait to see you play while watching you. In the stands, not on TV. Hint, hint, she needs season tickets. Grandma Beth sends all her love. Sammy. If you would like to have me create a free AI talking video for any occasion for your friends and family, maybe like this one, go to harveysilverfox.com and request your free custom talking video. And yes, congrats from me, Cassidy, your AI avatar generated voice.